Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this expression to find out the value of a. Now we solve it. We write as 4 power of a plus 4 square. They again give us 16 power of a equal to 64. Now we write as a power of m power of n equal to a power of n power of m. Now we write as a 4 power of a plus 4 power of a whole square equal to 64. Now we take it 4 power of a equal to x. Now put here x plus x whole square equal to 64 and x plus x square minus 64 equal to 0. Now we using quadratic formula. We know that quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here a equal to 1 and b again equal to 1 and c equal to minus 64. Now put the value of a, b and c here, so they give us x equal to minus b equal to 1, so minus 1 plus minus under root b square, so 1 square and minus 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to minus 64 divided by 2 into 1. Now we simplify, so x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square, they give us 1 minus 4 times 1, they give us 4 minus 4 and minus 4 into minus 64, so they give us minus into minus, they give us plus and 256 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, so x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 and 256, so they give us 257 divided by 2. Now we put the value of x again here, so we know that x equal to 4 power of a. Now put here 4 power of a equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 257 divided by 2. Now taking log both side, we taking log both side, so log 4 power of a equal to minus 1 plus minus here 257 divided by 2. Sorry, we log both side, taking log both side, so here they give us a log 4 equal to log minus 1 plus under root 257 divided by 2. Now this log we want to here, so both sides divide by log 4. So a equal to log -1 plus minus under root 257 divided by 2 and divided by log 4. So the value of a equal to log 4 -1 plus minus under root 257 divided by 2. So the value of a is equal to log 4 -1 plus minus under root 257 divided by 2. Thanks for watching.